A lot of people want to know, how do we terminate our French drains when they go to daylight? Anytime you're not going to infrastructure like a storm drain catch basin, you're going to have to take it to daylight. We keep a critter guard on them. That way you're not ending up with squirrels and all kinds of rodents nesting and screwing up your French drain system. So this is a piece of dual wall pipe. It's about 3 feet in length. Right here is where we Y together the high octane. So remember, the high octane, this is one giant reservoir. By putting 2 pipes in, we create a bigger void. It holds more water. During torrential rains, it could take in more water, and the homeowner's not going to see any standing water at any given time. And then as soon as that torrential rain or that thunderstorm passes through, just like that, you know, the water's still going to be dumping out the discharge end for another 15 minutes or so. Just empty the whole system out. So you can see we're using the big aggregate here. You know, this was a lot of sheet water, serious situation. We weren't screwing around. And, you know, we're going to throw in 5 blind inlets on this job. All right, guys, until the next video.